some Valentine's Day loves. That's what it's all about.
Hey, what kind of hair?
And hope you guys are enjoying your Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody out there. Hope you're enjoying it with your loved ones here. We are out cruising the back roads. Diesel is the co-pilot. Shout out to everybody who loves cruising with their dog. That's just the best, ain't it? Also, we got Asherman in the back. He's supposed to be napping. He's going to get down here shortly, but Mom is doing her live right now. Most of you are probably watching her, and this is what it looks like when she's live. We're out cruising, giving her all kinds of space and quietness to just fully get engaged with you guys, the audience. So, yeah, hope you guys are enjoying it. And look at this bridge we're coming up on. Should jump it. Should jump it General Lee style. Ba-dum, ba-dum. Whee! Oh no, a choo-choo! Look at it, and it has no crossing deals, so you can run right into it if you want. That is sketchy. But this is what's fun about cruising the back roads. You never know what you're gonna find. Shout out to all my back road riders. Look at it go. Woo-wee! Just in time. We are safe to cross. Happy Valentine's Day!
Happy Valentine's Day!
Asher, man, did you get a Valentine?
Diesel, come here.
You did?
Diesel.
Oh man, what is that?
Diesel even got some Valentines.
DC did
A
too?
doggy treat.
Whoa, this one's going nuts. The boys are happy. Holy cow, Skittles and a heart?
Oh.
Unbelievable.
Look, is there? Hey, you back up. You got yours.
DC, is that a lion? What's a lion do?
Oh, lion. And he's got candies for you. How did you know that there were going to be green suckers in
Holy
there?
cow.
What is that? Chapstick?
What a great day this is going to be.
Love-
Whoa, that's a good look. Jeez, I love them. Should get those tattooed permanently.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I did it with my lipstick.
Nice. How permanent is that?
Oh, it'll be fine. Once I use my makeup remover, my biphase makeup remover, it'll melt it.
Okay, that sounds good. You about to go live here soon?
Half hour.
Half hour.
Izzy's live right now.
Go Izzy. Go.
Izzy.
What's your theme? Obviously Valentine's Day, but
The theme is love is in the hair. So
I
I'd be trying
love
to do
it,
some
clever.
kind of hearts or something. I don't know.
well,
Maybe
cool.
some like heart space buns or something. We'll see how it turns out.
Oh, this will be sweet. I'm getting excited for it. Let's get right down to business here. How'd Mom do?
Good.
Good, good. Look at those hearts.
What do I got on my face?
Got hearts and hair. Look at that. That is cool, Mom.
I tried to do hearts in my hair. They didn't go as planned, but it's fine.
Did you have fun?
Yes. Yep, everybody was really nice.
Really? They
Yes.
loved it.
They loved it.
Good deal.
Did you get a nap?
Yeah, we got a nap, did some riding around, and yeah, life was good. Did we see a train too?
Did?
We saw a choo-choo.
Mwah.
Oh yeah, some Valentine's Day loves. That's what it's all about.
Hey, what kind of haircut are we gonna give you?
Ooh, boy. Is that what we're gonna do next? Haircuts? A mohawk? Oh, you're gonna be cool.
He wants a mohawk.
Well, everybody better stay tuned then, because that video's coming up soon. Tell them stay tuned. Stay tuned for the next one.
Can you tell him? Say stay tuned.
Stay tuned. We'll see you guys next time.